Say goodbye to watering woes with the FiberJacket Max Garden Hose from AQUA JOE. Now you can get easy, uninterrupted flow. The secret is AQUA JOE's marine-grade fiber jacket and flexible inner core that's twist and tangle-free and won't scratch or scuff surfaces.
So far I've been dragging this across the parking lot and across my gravel driveway. The hose material feels like it's really rugged. It's going to hold up to some of that stuff, that abuse.
A standard garden hose will burst at a pressure of about 200 psi, but AQUA JOE FiberJacket Max, burst rated to withstand 600 psi, is up to 3 times stronger, so it won't crack under pressure. Plus, AQUA JOE's innovative dual-layer design is up to 50% lighter than conventional hoses. Just lift and feel the difference.
The hose itself is extremely durable. I've run over it many times with my car and it's still intact. The kinks, I get no kinks when using it. It's 100 feet long.
AQUA JOE FiberJacket Max is the compact, heavy-duty hose that's easy to lift, but built to last. AQUA JOE FiberJacket Max is drinking water safe and contains no harsh chemicals like BPA, lead, or phthalates. Plus, it's weather and mildew resistant, so you'll never have to handle a heavy, hot, grimy, or slimy hose.
This hose, we usually have holes in the hose by now, so this by far has been the best hose for us.
Plus, every AQUA JOE hose comes backed by our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee and AQUA JOE's rock-solid 2-year warranty. Get equipped with the SUPERLIGHT 25-foot AQUA JOE FiberJacket Max today for only $19.99. And that's not all. Order now and take advantage of our exclusive double offer. Just pay a separate fee of $14.99 and get a second FiberJacket Max with no additional shipping and handling. That's 2 tough hoses and 1 unbeatable value. This exclusive offer is not available in stores. Go online to getaquajoe.com and get the FiberJacket Max today.